Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use the hand landmarks to control the mouse. So if you see here, I have the landmarks and I don't know if you see the mouse is moving. uh, I'm using Camtasia Studio to record this video, to record the screen. But if you see here, like, you can click and change the view of the 3D module. In fact, if when I click here, like, it's hard to move the object because the reading of the coordinates from the landmarks, it's not that fast, and the mouse needs fast values to prove smooth movements. So we need 3 libraries: CV2 and mediapipe and PyAuto GUI. And as usual, we will read the camera. Then we have this map. In fact, this map is the same map in the Arduino that we used in Arduino. It's to take some values and to convert these values to another values, and then we run the program. So we read the frames from the camera, we flip the frame, we resize it, then we give the landmarks, and we make a list here. We draw the landmarks, we give the ID and the landmarks, the ID and the landmarks position. So we convert the position of the landmarks to be compatible with the frame. Then we use our map to convert the values, the coordinates of the landmarks, to be suitable with the resolution of the screen. Okay, so in my case, like, I have made this frame is 500 by 500. I have made it 500 by 500. Then I convert here from 0 to 500, convert it to be from 0 to 1920, and the same for the y coordinate. So let's see the indexes of the landmarks. So if you see here, I will use this landmarks and this one and this one, 8 and 5 and 12. So this 5, it will move the mouse, like the index number 5, the coordinates of the index number 5 will control the mouse movements, X and Y. And this index number 8, I will say if the Y coordinate of the index 8 is bigger than the coordinate, the index 7, the coordinates of index 7, then do the left click. And the same here, if the if the coordinates of the index 12 is greater than the coordinates of the index 11, do the right click. So yeah, first of all we move the mouse, so I will read the index 5, the ID 5, all the landmarks number 5, then I will put X and Y. In fact here it's integer, not float. Yeah, then I will append the list to take the ID and the CX and CY. And here we go. Because if I if I print so if you see here, the first element is the ID, the second one is the X axis, the third one is the Y axis. So here I give the ID and the Y axis, ID, the Y axis, and the same here, the ID or the index 8 and the coordinates of Y. And that's all. And then I use the auto GUI, Pi auto GUI, to get the right click and the left click and the left click, and that's all. Maybe you can improve this program to get like a smooth movements of the mouse. I don't know. Yeah, but in my case, like, I can get the right click and the left click, but when I try to move the object, the 3D object, it doesn't work. So if you have any idea that will help me to improve this movement, leave it in the comments. And that's all. And see you in the next video.